This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 12. We are talking about the list data type methods. Before going to see that one, I'm going to create a one list object, dir of a. In our last session, we covered up to extent. Now today's plan is we are going to see remaining part like index to sort command. Sort this area we are going to see in today's session. Take the insert first of all. Okay, I will print this one. Already we have a one program is there. Already we written one program to display all subcomponents of the list class. Right. So now either index or insert. See, for example, again I'm creating the list A with some other values. So I want to find out how to use the insert. Index second we will come insert. Index second. Now I am trying to explaining to you insert. So what is the insert? Insert came from object A of list dot insert. So it is also a function or method. I mean brackets are required. But before that one, take the help document. See, if you closely observe, we are inside of the class components we are discussing. You can ignore self keyword and forward slash. See, forward slash is the current class. Two things are required here. Object is nothing but value. Which value you want to insert? Index. See, insert object before index. The word here very clearly given. Insert object, insert a value into the existing list before index. Means already we have a one list. Praveen, please keep on mute. Praveen. Right. So my plan is a dot insert at position number one or two. Position number two, I want to insert 22 number. See, 2 is a position, index position. This is the index, and which value you want to insert. Which value you want to insert. A insert, position 2, I want to insert 22. So now my question is, before going to insert this one, already in the index number 2, we have a number 30. Will it override the 30? Or this will be moved to right side and it is going to insert a new value here. What will happen here if I execute in this way?
Move to right side.
More, sir.
Yes.
Move to right.
Yes. Whatever the, if I insert here a new value, existing index number 2 will be 3 plus 1. Your new value will come in this area. New value will come in this area. See, this is a one. It will move to right side. Simple, only one logic only here. So a dot insert, if you move index position and then after value. Only one logic, sir. if you insert a item to the existing position of the list, existing one will move to right side. Simple. Any direction, even if you follow, same thing. But here some tricky bits are there, sir. After that one, these index numbers will be changed +1. The new value will be sitting here. Okay. I am trying to index a dot insert. First of all, before that one, what is the a and what is the length of a? So index 0 to 6 is available. 7 means. Now a dot insert, I am providing at index number 0 with the 200. Yes, Apple it is 200 added, no doubt. Yes. Next one, insert. This index is not available. 10 position or minus 1 is anywhere we have that one. Minus 1 is nothing but a end position. So if I write the minus 1, true will be moved to right side, then the new value will be added. Simple. We can easily understand. But my question is, if a index number is not available, for example, 15 index number is not available, right? Now, if I try to store a value, what will happen?
End it will end.
And will be added or any index error?
At the
At
end.
the
That is a plan for simple. So what is the last one? Yes, in this point 15 is not there. Maybe this is a 8 or ninth. So 15 is not there means whatever the last one, that position it will add. There is no error. There is no error. There is no error. So before this one, if you see again, 0 to 9 are indexes. Even if I try to insert position number 233 or position number 21, index number is 21, index number 21 is not there, 9 is the last one. So I want to store a number, this is a 1. See, at last position it will take and it will add. Simple and easiest one. What is the position and where you want to insert? At any point, any direction, the existing one will move to the right side. Existing one will move to the right side. This is an what is it? Insert. Next, come to the index. So dir of a. Now this is a one plan. Index only one value. Sir, now what is the index? Even directly you can take the help option also. There you will get the clarity. Is it function or not? Yes. Here you have something. Return the first index value. Return the first index value. Always it is a forward direction only. Starts from say value. Search from 0. See, this two are not
right
required.
one.
Some value is there. Some value is already there. These variable are containing some value. See, this variable in the bracket, this is having some value. This is also having some value. Ignore the forward slash. Only this is required. And what it is doing, we can use in multiple ways. First point, return first index of the value. Okay, to understand this one, I will create one more list. 10, 20, 30, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20. A dot, find out the index of number 10. First occurrence in the forward direction it will return. Where we have the 10? Where we have the 10?
0.
At index number 0. This is a general syntax. Otherwise, no sir, I want to search where I have the 10 from the index number 1. My question is again I am changing. Okay, if I am providing directly 10, very first occurrence in the forward direction, wherever we have a 10, that is providing. If I am providing other than existing element, I will get an error. Value error. Value error. If the value is not available in the list, I am getting value error. Index error we discussed, now value error. The value is not there, the value error will come in the list. But I am trying to explain to you. I want to search from index number 2 to end. Index number 2 onwards I want to search. Anyhow, again I am searching for 10 only. But search from index number 3 or 2. Index number 2 means 0, 1, 2. This is
30.
a start point. From here to end. From here to end, wherever I have a 10, first 10 ID number I want to get. What is your expected answer if I said
3.
3 or 1?
First occurrence it will print.
Ah, yes, yes. This is one. Definitely this will come. My answer, my question is
3.
this will come or from
3.
here this will become. Yes, that is a 3. Single 3 number. Yes. Otherwise, if you want to search certain area, these two, I want to search a number between 10 only, but index number 1 to 2. Index number 1 to 2 means this area or not. Index number, this is a starting index number and it is an ending index number. Index number 0, index number 1 and 2. This is the meaning of 1 comma 2. Otherwise, I will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 8. 6 to 8 means, first of all, this is a fixed one. Is there any 10?
No.
In the selected area, there is a no way. There is no 10. So, if you, by default, if you are writing one list, this is a 3 elements are required, sir. I mean, 3 elements are there. Value, start by default 0, end, end only. I mean, last value. Simply you can write length minus 1, length minus 1. The maximum limit also they provided. This is our, this is an index position number. A list containing this much of values. It's a final memory location. Index number for the last element. Okay. For example, if you are writing index, you are asking for 10 or 20, you are searching for 20, the answer will be 1. Answer will be 1. So, but internally it will work searching for 20, index start from 0. How many are there? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the internal process. Otherwise, you can use index, search from index number 4. I mean, from 50 onwards, it will search this area. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This area. In this area, it will search. In this area, it will search. In this area, it will search and it will return the answer. But the first one, entire thing, but first occurrence only it will give. First occurrence only it will give. Yes. If the same question, if I'm changing index of, I want to search 20, but 0, 1, 2, 2 to 5. 2 to 5 means 3 values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this area, it will search. If it is there, it will return. If value is not there, it returns capital V, capital E. Value error, it will return. Yes, everything is clear, sir, about the index.
Yes.
Right. Now come to the deletion part, sir. We are modifying the list. Right. So my plan is, so deletion purpose, there are two things are there: pop function and remove function. Again, pop having two ways: pop without value, pop with value. Okay, try to see first of all before this one. Now list out this one. Now we are here. What is a pop function? What is the use of the pop function? When you are list outing A, we are getting that one. Help of EA dot pop. Yes.
Sir, clear also
Index.
different, sir.
Sorry, I'm not getting your
Clear also
point.
is
Please.
there, no, sir. Clear.
For deletion, sir, you
Hello.
are talking about deletion.
Sir.
Wait, sir.
And
Wait two
clear
minutes.
good instruction. Okay, sir.
Wait 2 minutes. See, so pop function is there. See, nothing is mandatory, sir. What is the by default position? What is the by default position if you are not providing?
Last value.
Default last one. But the beauty is there. Delete and return that value, sir. I mean, for example, this is my list. A dot pop. Whatever it is deleting, it is returning. Okay, one more time. I will create a simple list with a different values. We will get more clarity. A dot pop. See, and again see the A dot pop deleting and the deleted item it is returning. Now A, sir, now can I store if what is the loaded value if I execute this command into the C variable?
30.
Now already existing list this
And
is.
20.
30. 30.
And
I'm
20 will
asking
be same.
no. What is not? I'm not asking what is the remaining list. I'm asking what is the value will be loaded into the C.
30.
Should be 30.
30. See, if I execute only this one 30 or not. Deleted item it is returning for function. For example, A. Again, A dot pop, the deleted value I'm storing into one variable. What is X value now?
20.
20.
A. A dot pop. A. A dot pop.
Error.
Empty.
Error.
0.
Index error. Why? Because if you are not using which index is involving?
-1.
-1 is involved. So without, okay, it is working. Good. But two ways you can use it. Deletion. For example, directly deletes always -1 position value. A value is not there, index error. Why? Because -1 you are indirectly involving. If list is empty, you will get the index error, sir. For example, you are using C equals to this one. C dot pop. If you are getting an error, what is the meaning? It is a empty one.
Empty list.
Empty list. This word is not defined there. If it you are using pop function with your list, like d equals to one list, d dot pop without any value if you are writing, it is unable to delete. Why? Because there is no element in that list d. Okay, one more way also there with the index. With index, let's we will see this one. Okay, default one is a -1. Let me create one more list. Right, length of C, type of C. Okay, we have some result. Now see, C dot pop should provide the index number. Is it correct after modification? Yes. What is a 2 before deletion? Is it 30 or not? 0. Index number 1, 2. Now after modification, is it fine? C of what? 0. Exactly 10. Now C list. C dot pop index number 0 I'm trying to delete. Yes. Modified or not? Yes. Is it clear about the pop function two ways?
Yes.
Deletion and without with. These two are important. Without with. Without always -1. Okay. If out of the range if I provide, range, sir.
Empty
Out of the range.
value and out of range.
Addition point, that is end. I mean, if you are trying to insert, that is a, if the index number is not there yet, that will be added end. But same thing, if you are not providing that, indirectly -1 means inward, sir. If you are writing only pop of this one, but indirectly that is a default value, -1 is there. Same error, same value error only you will get here also.
Sir, we can view
Sorry.
-2 like that, sir.
Negative also
Backward
fine.
direction.
Right, right. Any direction, -2. What is a -2 generally? 3.14. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm going to do c dot pop -2. C.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Any direction, you can delete it. Any direction. But index point only forward direction. Index point, if you go to the index one previously, this is a only forward direction. Index searching purpose. Searching purpose only forward direction. Searching purpose only forward direction. Okay. Next one, remaining two are very easy, sir. Ah. Remove. Index is simply, what is the conclusion? Okay. Pop function works with deletion, works for deletion an item in the list with help of the value or index. Value or index.
Oh, value.
No, no, no. Index
Sorry,
we are
index
providing
-1. -1
minus,
index.
or we are providing here 2 -2. We are providing manually, that is the index number. Quite opposite is a remove, sir. Remove works with, take the help document, list C, dir of C, help, help of C dot remove. Yes, simple. It works with value, but always first occurrence only it will delete from the forward direction. See, C dot remove, delete 20 after deletion. C dot remove, delete -20. See, first occurrence only. Even you have more than 20 is, like if you have 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, C dot remove 10, first occurrence only it will delete. First occurrence only it will delete. Even if you want to delete all tens, multiple ways are there. For example, your plan is, definitely this question will come in your mind. I think you will get this question. So your target is, sir, wherever the position I want to delete all tens, or unique also I want to get that one. Simply, I'm doing something.
Set.
I'm converting to set. One second. First of all, I will get everything as unique. Then after again, just I'm leaving to you. You know it. I'm not trying to explaining to you at this point. Again came. I'm storing this result in one variable. C dot remove 10. Finally, there is no 10. Unique values came and, oh, you don't worry even single points, but because our upcoming topics, all these are. Maybe your question, I want to delete all tens. Yes, I deleted everything. Simply C dot remove, delete the first number, first occurrence only, first occurrence of the given value. If value is not there, if value is not there,
Value error.
value error. Value is not there, value error. Index is not there, index error.
Index error.
If you want to delete more than one value,
No, no, only one, sir, one at a time.
okay.
So if you want to delete more, I mean repeat at a time one value it will delete. But if you want to delete all times, you have to use a loop. For loop is the best option. What is this message? One message I received. Remove and clear both are not same. How can we call both are same? Remove will delete one item at a time. Clear, all items will be cleared at a time. Am I right? For example,
Empty list. Empty list.
see, if I use remove with works with one value only, without empty it will not work. Both are not same. So here the answer will be this one. Here the answer will be 20 comma 30. One by one we have to do it. Okay, remove also if you want to perform. Every time you have to delete one by one, one by one, one by one. Okay. Now there is a one question, sir. Simple logical question. Is it possible to delete for example, I have a one list. I don't know the what is the elements, but length is 6. Length of C is a 7. Index will work from 0 to 6. So without clear function, I don't know the values. I don't know the values means I cannot use this one. If I know the value, I can use the remove function. I want to make it this one as empty. Is it possible?
by pop function and loop for loop with loop.
Excellent. That is a simple answer. Super. Perfect answer. But how many times I should run the loop? For example, if I
7 times.
Okay.
Index minus 1.
yes, for x in or I in range of 6 or length of 6, is it fine? Length of 6 is fine.
Yes.
Length of 6 is nothing but 7.
Yeah.
7. Index number start from 0 to 6. 0 to 6. 0 to 6. Total 7 iterations. So why we should take the hard coded value? Length of C I am taking. Then then then
C dot pop of I.
pop function. I'm storing why because pop function always return one value. So how many times these two lines will execute?
6
70.
times.
6 times.
Okay. Finally, I will write here after all iterations of the for loop, print the k, print the length of k, print the type of the k. Is there any confusion in this part, sir?
No.
No.
Line number, especially line number 4 and line number 3 length.
Point can't do.
This one, sir?
No, no. Fourth line.
Okay.
Pop I can't be used
No, no. I is just for repetition purpose only. No, I don't need to use this one. How many times this loop will work generally?
till
Number
the
of
range how.
I
Okay.
just for repetition purpose only. For
0 to
example,
6.
for I in range of 10, print of Python. How many times this will execute generally? If I execute this script,
It will
how
execute
many times will
6 times. It will.
0 to 9.
10 times.
0 to 10 times? Okay, 0 to 9, the correct answer. 0 to 9 means total how many numbers? How many times are there?
10.
10.
My plan is I don't want to use the I, just for repetition purpose only I'm using. Here also, no, not this one, this one. So this is a main program, sir. This is a main one. Without a clear function, we are deleting.
Instead of I, can we use any other letter?
And which line, sir?
The third line, instead of I, can we use any other letter?
You can use anything, or you can
Okay.
write any variable line. Anything, just for repetition purpose. Finally, at number 9, I think K is wrong one. What is the length of? I'm sorry, this is a C. Huh? Am I right? C only, na? List name is C.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So deleted item is K. See one more time. Deleted item 70, 60, 50. Finally, this is our perfect or not? So which is now equal to C clear or not? Which is equal to C clear or not? Which is equal to C clear or not? I think
Yes.
I am unable to see your name.
Yes. Yes.
Attendee.
Yes. It is equal to C dot clear.
May I know what is the name attendee I can able to see. For you only this is an example. Satish, okay, right. So alternate. So instead of remove, you can use the pop alternate to clear command, clear function. Even if you take one concept, sir, we can discuss like 1 to 2 hours so you on one single component. So first we have to get the basic knowledge. We need to create the automation scripts, programming point, scripting point. So we have to first basic idea how that we started with 6 functions. Now we are getting the 14 data types. Next, immediately we will go to one more concept, conditional statements. So when we good at this 35 session, the remaining things we can play with the remaining things. Okay. So what is it? Come back here. Take one list. Okay, list it is. Up to this is clear, and remaining two things are there. Reverse is very easy, sir. Like mirror image. Any objects you can store in a list. Any object inside of this one. Any object. Type of C. Length of C. Right. So how to use help of directly I'm asking. Okay, you can ask. This is a proper way. Reverse. What is that? I am a function. Okay. If you are a function, tell me what how to use it. Nothing is mandatory. Nothing is mandatory. Directly you can use it. Means this is a C. C dot reverse. C dot reverse. Is there anything? Completely flip or not? Flip
Yes.
to completely. One will be minus, zero will be minus one. Why completely? First will be last in the forward direction. And one more thing also there, sort. But here, careful, sir. Directly I am taking the sort. It is also function. Nothing is mandatory. Nothing is mandatory. All are there. By default, it is a nothing is mandatory actually. Even first, I will explain to you. But remember this word for some time. So by default, it will return the ascending order, sir. Means take completely numbers or take completely list only. Sorry, completely string objects. C dot sort I am using nothing. See that one? Is it correct? True. Why it is coming very first? Can you give that answer?
Yeah. True is one.
One. So if I want to print in the reverse order,
C dot reverse.
one more time. So this is a one list. You can use sort. There is a one parameter is there. You can use this one also. No need to manually follow the reverse. By default it is ascending order by default. If you want to print reverse,
True.
sorry, already how to make it quite opposite. Really, no need to use this one. Sort hyphen, if you do the reverse, sort is generally ascending order. Generally ascending order. Then they're quite opposite, descending order. Sir, either you can follow this one, or else this is single shot descending order, sorting and reversing order. Instead of these two steps, first step, second step, both are in single shot. We are not using any reverse function. One of the parameter we are using which is inside of the bracket. But as of now, one limitation I will provide to you. One limitation. For example, if I am providing this one, now the question is C dot sort. What is the answer?
Wrong.
Ascending.
Error.
Error.
And
Why? Because one is string, one is all should be either string, all should be either characters. It will work. Sir. Please to follow the insertion order. Please to follow the insertion order. Why P is coming very first? Can you give that answer?
ASCII value.
ASCII value. P. What is the ASCII value of P?
Order of 18.
Everything is clear. Capital
If
P.
you put one P character only, then what is the output?
Okay. I mean, shall I add one more P character here? You are asking this one.
Yeah, P, not T. P.
Capital P only.
Yeah.
Like comparing two values. Like how we will give that answer A, B, C, A, B, D. Who is the first rank? For example, first priority, second priority, third priority, like this. P nothing, P Python, nothing here, no? Nothing. You can consider like zero here. Why having some value or not? These two compare. If these two compare. A, B. Who is the first alphabet order? This is the one. No? Same follow. Even if you want to print them reverse, directly you can use the reverse. It will work. Now we completed these 11 functions, very important, but which is not repeated for other except deep copy. Remaining are exclusively belongs to list only. Inner list, these all are common, sir. If you see the, for example, this is a one, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. There are how many? What is the length now? Can you give that answer? How many? What is the length?
2.
2.
Two. Now don't get any confused. If you they are writing this is we will call generally inner list element access. What is the result of this one?
5.
Fine.
So C of 1 is nothing
Yeah.
but second.
1, 2, 3.
Third one 0, 1, 2. Is it fine?
Yeah.
That's all. Index number 0, 1, 2.
Index
It
number
is
1
fine.
or then 2. It's correct.
Index number 1. Index number 1 means total.
Total. Second is
And
position
in
under
that one,
that
in that
list.
second index. Fine. When you go to the NumPy pandas module, like one dimensional, two dimensional outputs we will display there. That's all. This is about the list, and this is will take long time, sir. That's all. It is over. Now the next data type is tuple. So list purpose we are using this one. I provided one question in the assignment. Is it possible to create a empty list without these two symbols? If yes, list out. We will see today's assignment. How many of people will send that one? Yesterday's assignment I am talking. Yesterday assignment. Okay, tuple. First of all, it is mutable or not. How to represent it? See, I am
Mutable.
storing. The symbol is this one, sir. And with same name, there is a function. It will follow the insertion order. And length function will work. See, C equals to RA equals to normal brackets. Yes, created a tuple with the duplicate values also it is allowing. Duplicate values are allowing. Allowed. So if I call A, is it following the insertion order? Is it following the insertion order?
Yes.
Yes.
Whatever the order we are providing, insertion order is working. Now index will work
Yes.
Yes.
because length is working. Index will work, and next one
Yes.
slicing, slicing 2 to 5. 5 will be excluded. 2, 3, 4 working. Now the question is item assignment will work or not. I am trying to assign some
Immutable.
value.
No. Immutable.
Sir, one simple answer. Tuple, however you are creating this one, that size is fixed. You cannot change that size. How to create a empty tuple? With the tuple function, type of B, length of B. Next, B equals to type of B, length of B. Empty tuple creation. But the problem will come how to create a tuple with values, with brackets. Is it correct one? Is it correct one? Please see that answer. Is it correct one?
Yes.
Now my
Can you
question
repeat
is,
once? Can you repeat once?
I want to create a tuple with three values, three any objects, integer, string, list. Three values are there. Is it correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So now I want to create a tuple with only one value. The value number is 32. Variable name is D, tuple 32. Is it correct?
Comma at the end.
Hmm. Hmm. Generally, is it correct? D equals to 32. If I ask you two elements, means this is a one type of D. D. Correct or not? Tuple. But when you create a one element, see the problem. Are you thinking this is a tuple?
No.
No.
The int, general integer. Your a equal to 40, some number you are assigning a that is a int. So only one small logic. When you create a tuple with one value, rare situation only. If you create a tuple with one value, just give the comma after one element. Then only it will be tuple. Otherwise, the particular basic data type only it is. It is wrong. It is an into object. if you want to create a tuple with single object, after single object should use comma. This point is clear, everyone? Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Line number 71
Yes.
to
Yes.
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 really, these brackets also not required, believe me. So without these brackets also we can create the tuple separated by commas. See, there is no bracket. What is the data type you are expecting?
Tuple.
Tuple. Type of the, see, without brackets also you can create it. Without brackets also you can create it. In the same flow, is it a tuple now?
No. Comma.
How to give the comma. So these are the technical bits. All these are. So means and these one are 20 count. That's all. These are the brackets. But if you come to the tuple, what inside of this one? What should be supplied in the inside of this one? Hmm.
Iterable.
Variable object only, like list. Take the help document tuple. How can I use it? Tuple. A iterable object it is asking. For example, k equals to tuple Python. I'm sorry, spelling mistake. K, k equals to tuple range of 5. K, k equals to tuple. What is the answer?
A comma. A comma.
Simple, sir. Iterable object. Now, in the same way, is it possible L equals to tuple 20?
No.
20 is not a
No.
iterable object.
It's an
20 is
integer.
not a iterable object. It is not a iterable object. See, not a iterable object. Similar to your list. That's why list is very important. Remaining things are very easy. Okay, K is there. Now I will try to list out. Sorry. K is a list. Dir of K. Only two elements are there. Only two elements are there. Not all the things, sir. Not like 11. Not like 11. Even you can change it. Where is the script? Yesterday's one. Just to create a tuple. Item assignment is not working. What should I call this one? What should I call this one? Item assignment is not working. Item assignment index is working. Slicing is working. Item assignment not supporting.
Immutable.
Mute.
Immutable, sir. And it containing only two things: count how many times one item is repeated and where it is. Index. Okay, I am going to create one more tuple 10, 20, 30, 40. 10 duplicate values are allowing and different data types are allowing. Type of a dot count. How to use a dot count? Just only value a dot. A is a tuple. A dot count of 30. 30 repeated 3 times in the entire list. Next, when I take the dir of a, index also there. How to use the index? A dot index came from a. Is it similar to previous index or not?
Yes.
List index only. List. If I create a list, help of b dot index. Same. There is no even single line change. Yes, c dot index of I'm searching for 40 from index number 1 to 5. out of the range. 6. What is the problem, sir? C dot C A, na? Sorry, A. That is available at index number 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So tuple is first of all immutable. You cannot change that one. Whatever the creation time you have, maybe you will give that answer like this one, sir. Sir, you are completely, it is mutable now. But now tell me, both are same address before and after.
No.
No, different.
So Naga, here is the question. So if you scroll up on the tuple side,
Okay.
so you create a set like a equal to some random numbers like 10, 20, 30, Python range 0 to 5. As per the tuple syntax, it should be a comma at the end, right? But here in the case, we are not giving any comma after the range. So, but still it was showing as a tuple. How
When
it
you
was
have a
back?
one element, no, this process, you
Mhm.
have to use the comma when you have a one element only, not more than one.
Okay.
With
Okay.
brackets, if you want to create a tuple, this is wrong. You have to give the comma, then it will understand it is a tuple. If it is a single value in the parenthesis brackets, with that if you create a tuple, see, C equals to 20, 30, no problem. It will work. Type of C. See, 20, 30, even if I give the comma, there is no big issue. It will work. But especially I am talking about if I create a single item, see the data type, this is a problem. So to avoid this one, I am saying to you just give the comma. Even though more than one also, if you are supplying, there is no issue. It is showing as tuple only. Especially when you work with single value in a tuple with parenthesis bracket, it is showing the particular data type, but it is really tuple in our point. So to avoid this confusion, you have to use in this way, and the data type is tuple.
All right. Thank you.
Now, can you take this like the system will think taking want as a two kind of inputs, therefore it is expecting comma.
I mean, in the searching, you are asking.
Yeah, in the sensing of, I mean, the when we
In this,
input as a comma, I mean, default it will expect two entries, therefore we are putting a comma.
no, default it will expect only one entry only. All are optional only. See, how can I say this is all are optional? Except value, all are optional only.
Okay.
This having some value, ignore. This also having some value, ignore. This also leave it. Class concept. Only this is not having any value. Only you have to supply index of 20. Yes, yes or no? 40. Index of some number. Error. Generally, it will works, and that's why I written here. 3 ways I written. I think somewhere this one. First one, second one, third one. If it is a listar tuple, for example, it is listar tuple, 5 elements are there. If you are directly supplying, for example, 20 is there, it will search entire list from starting to end, but first occurrence only it will take. First occurrence after it will return. Second one searching for 20, but from fourth index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, from like this area it will work. From here it will start. 4 means searching starts from 4, fourth index. If you write here, search between index number 2 to 5. 5 not excluded, 2 to 5 means this area only. We are restricting the searching area. Same concept in the tuple. So index will work with one value, with two values, with three values. If you provide one value, starts from index number 0. If you provide two values, first one is a value and second one is a starting point. If you provide three values, value, start point and end point. So that's why we break it this complete list as multiple parts here. Index number 20 means total thing will come. Search from fourth
It,
means fourth
it's
index.
like
it is a slicing in our point, but I am talking about the searching point, how the search process will work. Yes, it is slicing only internally.
Okay.
So when we give 20 to 4 from this area, it will search. If I give 2 to 5 means 2 to 5 valid is this one. In this area, it will search. That's why I
So
searched on. Yes, sir.
it will exclude that first position, first index means if we 20-4, it will search after index from 5.
No. You are saying somewhere here 4. Start from 4 only. No exclude, include in the searching operation. From 4 only.
Okay,
See,
okay.
from what is the
Start
0,
with the same
1,
index number. So
same index, ending also same index. Here 2 to 5. What is the index number 2? 30. Correct or not?
30.
And fifth index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes,
5.
yes.
Okay, tuple is easy but immutable, sir. How many immutable
But a
as of
tuple
now?
is immutable, right? So set will work in this.
Tuple is immutable. And your
Tuple
question
is
is set.
immutable, then set will work.
Set will work. What is the purpose of set? Excellent question. Purpose of set is a unique operation, unique values. Okay. Set as of now we don't know. As of now we don't know set what is the set. But your question related to set will work. Yes, set function will take anything. That should be a iterable object. Unique values it will generate. What is the nature of the tuple? Nature of the tuple,
Tuple is
duplicate values, unique
immutable.
values, and
Immutable.
insertion order.
Okay.
So next tomorrow session we will see biggest concept set, which is similar to list, sir, but very important one. Out of tuple, sorry, list is the first priority, the second priority for this. I will stop here. We will meet tomorrow.
That's it.
Shortly, I will say
Uh,
day 4 assignment. You will get
sir,
the
I will ping
assignment.
on the chat, sir. Hello.
1 second. I
Another.
will test that. Wait.
Okay.
Yes. For example, this is your question. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir. Can you explain that one, sir? How it is printing?
Okay. Now tell me, what is the length of C in this scenario?
1, 2,
5 or not?
5, 5, sir.
Okay. So C of minus symbol is there. Length of C is 5. What is the answer?
Minus 5, 50, sir.
10.
10 only. First element to printing. Logic.
Okay, yeah, 10.
Next one, C of 5 minus 1.
4.
Length is 5, but index will start from 0 to 4. What is the answer for this?
40.
40.
50.
40.
50. Sir, length is
Oh,
5, but index
50.
will work.
yeah. Sorry.
Okay. 50, sir.
So this will work for to print the starting number, so, and this will print for the last number. First one for printing the first number, and another one is printing the last number. Right? So I will stop here. We will see the next set object.
Thank you, sir.
Very important. Don't miss. Why? Because set methods are important, sir. Like union, intersection. That is very important. Don't miss that session. Tomorrow's session is important. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.